Niccolò Machiavelli once said that a man who tries to be good in all matters will eventually be destroyed among so many who are not good. If you feel like you're constantly being overlooked, manipulated, or ignored, it's not because you aren't talented. It's because you are playing by the wrong set of rules. In a world of players, being nice is a liability. It's a signal that you are easy to control. Today, we're diving into the dark truths of strategic dominance and why the most powerful people in history chose to be feared rather than loved. We're breaking down the 3 laws of Machiavellian power that will stop you from being a pawn and turn you into the player. Welcome back to Dark Truths. Let's begin with Law 1, the trap of infinite kindness. Most of us were raised to believe that if you are kind to everyone, the world will be kind to you. This is a beautiful lie. In reality, when you are infinitely kind, you aren't seen as a saint, you are seen as a commodity. Think about it. Why do people value gold? Because it is scarce. If gold were as common as dirt, we'd walk all over it. The same applies to your kindness. When you are helpful to everyone all the time, your value drops to 0. You become the reliable person, the one who will always say yes, the one who will always stay late, and the one who will never complain. The dark truth is this: people don't respect the person they can predict. They respect the person they are afraid to lose. Machiavelli argued that it is much safer to be feared than loved, because love is preserved by the link of obligation, which is broken at every opportunity for the user's advantage. But fear preserves you by a dread of punishment, which never fails. In a modern social context, this doesn't mean you should be a bully. It means you must be selective. If you want respect, you must be capable of saying no without an explanation. You must be capable of walking away from a deal that doesn't serve you. Ask yourself, are you being nice because you choose to be, or because you're afraid of the conflict that comes with being firm? If it's the latter, you aren't good. You're just harmless. And in the eyes of a manipulator, harmless is synonymous with target. Machiavelli wrote that a leader must be both a fox and a lion. The lion cannot protect himself from traps, and the fox cannot defend himself from wolves. To survive the social hierarchy, you must be both. Most people are lions without the strength. They try to be direct and honest, but they have no power to back it up, so they fall into every trap set for them. Others try to be foxes, but lack the courage to strike when necessary. The Machiavellian strategy is simple. You must mask your intentions. When people know exactly what you want, they can block you. If they know exactly what makes you angry, they can bait you. Strategic unpredictability is your greatest shield. When you stop being the nice guy who always reacts the same way, people start to tread carefully around you. They begin to wonder, what is he thinking? What is his next move? This creates a psychological frame of power. When people are busy trying to figure you out, they don't have the mental energy to manipulate you. You have moved from being the person who is played to the person who is observing. Next time you're in a negotiation or social conflict, try this. Silence. Don't fill the gap. Don't explain your position. Just look them in the eye and wait. The nice guy will always speak first to ease the tension. The player uses the tension to force the other person to reveal their hand. This is the most dangerous law of all. The social trap of being good often involves you being given choices that both lead to your disadvantage. Your boss asks, "Do you want to take the extra shift on Saturday or Sunday?" Notice what happened there. They gave you a choice, but they didn't give you the choice to say no. They controlled the frame. Machiavelli understood that the most effective way to control people is not through force, but by narrowing their options until they choose exactly what you wanted them to choose, all while they believe they are in control. To stop being a victim of this, you must learn to reject the frame. When someone gives you two bad options, the good person tries to be helpful and picks the least bad one. The Machiavellian identifies the trap and creates a third option. The dark truth of authority is that respect isn't given to the person who follows the rules most perfectly. Respect is given to the person who understands the rules well enough to break them without consequence. When you stop playing the good guy role, you are no longer limited by the script others have written for you. You start setting the terms. You start deciding what your time is worth. You start realizing that loyalty is often just a word people use to keep you working for free. Being good isn't a virtue if it's the only thing you know how to be. True virtue is having the capacity for cruelty, the capacity for power, and the capacity for manipulation, and choosing when to use it and when to keep it in its sheath. As Machiavelli famously suggested, it is better to be a lion who knows how to be a fox than a sheep who hopes the wolves will be merciful. The world is not a playground, it is a chessboard, and the moment you stop trying to be the nice piece, you can finally start winning the game. If you're ready to stop being the pawn and start understanding the dark truths of human behavior, you know what to do. Leave a comment below with the word player if you've decided to stop being the nice guy. It lets the algorithm know this content is reaching the right audience. Subscribe to Dark Truths for more tactical psychology. The question isn't whether you will play the game. The question is, will you be the one moving the pieces or the one being moved? I'll see you in the next one.